Our society is moving forward, increasingly committed to its development and global impact. On the occasion of Environment Day, at ARQUIMEA we celebrate our constant search for innovative, collaborative, and responsible technology for our planet. Our products seek to address today's social and technological challenges while remaining aligned with the UN Sustainable Development Goals. From our research center, we create disruptive technologies that drive economic growth and resource efficiency. We promote environmental sustainability, working on projects as diverse as bioplastics, removal of debris from Earth orbit, or Bio 100, a chemical-free anti-algae in our commitment to recovering irrigation water in a sustainable way. From ARQUIMEA, we promote inclusive actions with foundations, associations, and NGOs, encouraging the participation of our professionals. We believe in technology as the basis for a more sustainable and responsible future.